Okay, this is American Mortise. So if you wish to change the direction of the latch, you have to pull out these two screws on the bottom and then the top one the screw, and then you pull out this face plate. Then you can get this latch out and then turn the direction you want and then put it back. So now I just show you once how it works. So you have to open up the screw on the top of the mortise, then the bottom one, okay, then pull out the faceplate on the mortise. Then only you can pull out this latch, then turn the direction you want, then put it back, then put back the faceplate again. Okay, as you can see here already, the direction, the position is not correct, so you have to adjust the correct position to make the faceplate can go in. Okay, so now the bolt already go in the faceplate. Then you only screw back all the screw on the top and the bottom. Okay. Then now you already change the latch direction already.